job for you, 621. The Balaam Group sent us a request.
Attention, Gun 13 Raven. This request comes from our affiliate Dafeng. We will be conducting a diversionary operation to attract the PCA's attention. You are to report to the Engebret Tunnel in the Central Ice Field. It's a derelict watch point, slated for restoration by the PCA in the near future. Infiltrate the tunnel, then find and destroy the sensor they're planning to repair. The objective is to distract the PCA and divert forces from their local base. Briefing over. Counting on you, Gun 13.
I don't think Dafeng appreciates your true value. I'll talk to them.
Main system activating combat mode.
Commence mission. Destroy the old sensor at the end of the underground tunnel. This place may be derelict, but it won't be left undefended. Keep your guard up, 621.
Code 1-5, unaffiliated AC.
Watch your step. There's a faint choral response coming from the bottom. It must be reached in the underground.
Gun 13, come in, Raven. PCA ground forces are headed your way earlier than planned. Make sure they stay busy. You know what to do. Over and out!
You heard him, 621. Destroy the target and get out of there.
2 repair kits remaining.
That's the target. It's protected by a basic shield. Target destroyed. Mission accomplished.
Raven, wait. The choral response is getting stronger.
Coral surge. That shouldn't have been enough to... 621. Pull out. Now. Don't touch the coral current. Your armor can't take...
Gun 13 Raven, what's going on? Who's that trip? Report your status.
We can answer that later. Get out now, 621. First the other watch point, now this. Things are moving faster than expected.
Activated coral will eat through your armor. You have to hurry, Raven.
Code 31C. What's the system verdict?
Straight up. The coral's coming.
621, don't fall behind.
AP.
You made it. Somehow. This job's finished. Head back and rest, 621.
One misstep, and that coral surge would have swallowed you whole. Raven, must you always put your life on the line?